HQ, I don't know if you can hear this, but our dropship is down. I'm stranded in the swampland somewhere. I've lost my weapon. Repeat, I am unarmed. I think there might be a problem with my Nectar Administrator. Do you copy?
This is HQ. 555's dropship just fell off the map. Mobilize and clear up squad 23,
Hello?
23,
Can you hear me?
94, copy?
Damn. Busted.
Copy that. Fan out and sweep. Keep an eye out for Carpenter. We're having some problems triggering his Nectar Administrator.
Duval! Morgan, are you out there? Pesci! Watch strap! Hello!
I'm Morgan Duval, Lance Corporal Tier.
Your pack's slipping, sir. Let me give you a hand.
Let me see those eyes, soldier. You been getting your meds?
Morgan, I think he's okay. You're okay, right?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Might be a distress signal.
Who's sending the signal?
Your pack's slipping, sir. Let me give you a hand.
My friend, there are two sides to every war. Are you sure you're on the right one?
We're going this way. You go that way.
This is Sergeant Shane Carpenter. Come in, base. Something's happening to me. Can anyone read this?
What is that? Fireflies?
HQ, we have a visual on the crash site. No sign of anyone. Unit 2 is hooking into the black box. Understood.
Hello? Hello, do you copy? This is Carpenter. I'm here. Do you read me?
HQ, our clear-up squad is on the ground. Copy that.
Fireflies?
No sign of him, sir. But it looks like his Nectar Administrator was damaged in the crash. He must be going into withdrawal by now. It shouldn't be hard to find him.
Copy that. Carpenter is a code HAZE. Terminate with extreme prejudice.
Damn spotlights. Well, you ain't gonna find me.
Shane Carpenter, I was sent to help you. Follow me.
Are you real?
You'd better hope so. Come on,
I don't understand.
just follow me.
HQ, we picked up a trail. Closing in. All right, we have a visual. It's Carpenter.
All units, switch to frequency Bravo. He could be listening.
Must be fast. They will be here soon.
Contact. Alpha 1, you have visual. Lost the shot. I have visual confirmation of target. Alpha leader, do you have visual?
There is a place you can hide. Follow me. Reno wants to protect you. Come on! Down here. Quiet.
Stay silent. They could still hear us.
Clear. Clear.
This way.
This way.
This way. Follow me.